Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. We are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please still do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Palantir went up a big 3 cents today. This is fantastic. Okay, I'm joking a little bit. We closed at 23.53. Post-market, we are at 23.48, 5 cents down. So just looking at how much prices go up and down during a day does not tell us the whole picture. We need to look at the context, and this is why the candles are here. So we had a red candle on Friday that went as low as the support at 23.10 and went pretty high here. So now today we are making a higher low, but a lower high at the same time with a green candle. So green candle is always nice to see. But the fact that the high is a little bit lower is a little bit sad. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to understand what happened. So we had a pretty strong first hour of the day. So we started at 23.28, went up to 23.81. So pretty nice green candle, and we crossed the 23.74. We crossed the support at 23.74. So things looked like they were picking up good. Second hour was also high. Third hour also higher. But then things started to go down a little bit. So fourth hour, we came down right smack on 23.74. Fourth and fifth hour stayed right there also before the stock dropping a little bit down. And you can see how stochastic reacted to all of that. So you see that when we came around here at the fourth candle, stochastic had already dropped at 63. And at 63 is pretty much the minimum stochastic that you should expect to see the stock go back up. So at 63, over 60, the stock should be going back up. But then we were so close to 60 that it just decided to go down. So we were at 61 on the 6th hour here. Then the stochastic dropped to 39. Looking at the 1 hour chart is a good education tool for you guys because you can see how the indicators are behaving with the movement of the price. So this is really nice to see the finer details about how the indicators are moving compared to the stock price. Let's go back to the daily chart. In terms of indicators on the daily chart, our stochastic is still at 8. So it's not moving a lot. It's really not moving a lot. RSI is still below our downtrend of strength. MACD is still crossed over bearish, and it's going to take some time for it to change. And DMI is also bearish. The stock is healing slowly. There is nothing else we can do, but let's just watch it because when it's going to start to pick up, we are going to be there at exactly the right time. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. I'm going to wish you a great evening. I'm going to wish happy Thanksgiving to my fellow Canadians. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.